Hello. Do you need some quick cash? We will tell you exactly how to get it and walk you through the process. It is a few ways to get you some quick cash and they all can be done online. Please listen until the end of this video for all of the ways we can get you some quick cash. First, you will get up to $325 simply for opening a bank account. You will get $25 for opening the bank account and funding it with at least $50. And if you set up direct deposit, you can get up to an extra $300 for doing that.
If you don't have $50 to get the $25 for opening a new bank account, then all you need is $10 to get $25 worth of stocks. That's a total of $35. This requires opening a trading account online, which is easy and only takes a few minutes.
If you don't have any money at all, then we have to get you a loan. The question is, do you want a personal loan or a private student loan? Because we can help you with both. There are 4 separate links attached to this video. Click on the one that you want to use to get you some quick cash. If they all apply to you, then click on all of them. And just in case you are wondering, yes, this is all legit. Share this information with your family and friends. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video.